Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I'm excited to show you how to make money with Instagram Reels. Whether you're just getting started or looking to take your content creation to the next level, this guide will cover the key strategies to help you monetize your Instagram Reels. Let's dive right in. It's important to understand how Instagram's Reels Play Bonus program works. This program is one of the main ways creators can earn money directly from Instagram. To participate, you need to have either a creator or business account. If you're using a personal account, you can easily switch by going to your profile, tapping the menu in the top right corner, selecting Settings, then Account, and choosing either Switch to Creator Account or Switch to Business Account. Once your account is set up, focus on creating high-quality, engaging reels. Instagram's algorithm favors content that keeps viewers watching, so aim to create videos that are both entertaining and valuable. Think about your niche, whether it's fashion, tech, fitness, or something else. Focus on what your audience wants to see. The more engagement your reels get, the better your chances of qualifying for the Reels Play bonus. Brand partnerships are another powerful way to monetize your reels. As your following grows, brands in your niche will start to notice you. They may reach out to collaborate, offering you compensation in exchange for featuring their products or services in your reels. To attract brand deals, make sure your content is professional, consistent, and aligned with the brands you want to work with. You can also take the initiative by reaching out to brands directly, showcasing your engagement metrics, and explaining how a partnership could benefit them. Affiliate marketing is another effective strategy for making money with Instagram Reels. This involves promoting products and earning a commission on sales generated through your unique affiliate links. To get started, sign up for affiliate programs related to your niche. Many brands offer affiliate programs directly, or you can join platforms like Amazon Associates or Share a Sale. Once you have your links, integrate them into your reels by mentioning the products, showcasing how they're used, and encouraging viewers to check out the link in your bio. Selling your own products or services is also a great way to make money with reels. Whether you have a physical product, a digital course, or a service like coaching, you can use reels to showcase what you offer. Create short, engaging videos that highlight the benefits of your product or service. Share customer testimonials or give behind-the-scenes looks at your process. Be sure to include a call to action, directing viewers to your online store or website. Another method is leveraging Instagram's badges during live sessions. Badges are a way for your followers to support you financially during Instagram live broadcasts. When you go live, your followers can purchase badges and you earn money directly. This is particularly effective if you have regularly engaged with your audience through live Q&A sessions, tutorials, or other interactive content. The more value you provide during your live sessions, the more likely your audience is to support you with badges. Consider using Reels to drive traffic to other monetized platforms. For example, if you have a YouTube channel, blog, or Patreon, you can use Reels to tease your content and encourage followers to visit these platforms. This strategy allows you to diversify your income streams and leverage your Instagram following across multiple platforms. Consistency and analytics are crucial. To maximize your earnings, it's essential to post Reels consistently. Aim for at least 3 to 4 Reels per week and keep an eye on your analytics to see what's working. Instagram provides insights that show you which Reels are performing best in terms of views, likes, comments, and shares. Use this data to refine your content strategy. Focus on creating more of what your audience loves and less of what doesn't resonate. One more thing to keep in mind when monetizing Instagram Reels in 2024 is the importance of building a personal brand. In today's digital landscape, people are drawn to authenticity and relatability, so being yourself is key. Think about what sets you apart from others in your niche, whether it's your unique style, perspective, or personality. Lean into what makes you different and let that shine through in your Reels. You should also consider the overall aesthetic of your Instagram profile. Everything from your bio to your cover images should represent your brand consistently. Another tip is to engage actively with your audience. Respond to comments, ask questions, and create opportunities for your followers to interact with you. The more you nurture your community, the stronger your connection with your audience will become, which ultimately leads to more engagement on your Reels. And there you have it. Those are some of the top ways to make money with Instagram Reels. Whether you're taking advantage of the Reels Play bonus, partnering with brands, diving into affiliate marketing, or selling your own products, the key is to create valuable, engaging content that resonates with your audience. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech Tricks tutorial for more tips on how to succeed in the digital world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!